Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 60. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Kane County.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Finley Grove or near Elgin, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Windows
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elgin, Carpentersville, Hunley, Gilbert, West Dundee, and Sleepy Hollow around 6:55 p.m.
Algonquin and West Dundee around 7 p.m. Barely to around 12 on the lowest floor of the building. Avoid windows or interior room on the lower floor, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Duncan.
This is North Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake.
Multiple severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Chicago to Indiana.
This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry.
Offshore to mid-lake and Lake Michigan's Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Kenosha, and Waller.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m.
This is another tornado warning. Now, this is for Northern Kane County. This is going to be for Northern Kane County. And this one is going to be from Elgin, Carpenter, a lot of locations, village and cities at 6:55. Then we got the other locations. Hollow 6:55. We got Algonquin 7 p.m. Barrington Hills at 7:10.
Around 7 p.m. Aurora and Montgomery around 7:05 p.m. Africa, North Laura, and Boulderville around 7:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Duncan and Kane County and 6:37 p.m.